Good morning. Welcome to our stall. Please take a look.
Good morning. Wow, everything looks so fresh. It all looks wonderful.
Thank you. It is. We picked most of these vegetables from our farm this morning. My wife and I were up before the sun.
Really? That's amazing. I am visiting the village for a week and I wanted to buy some local food.
Oh, a visitor. Welcome. You came to the right place. We have the best produce in the county. What can I help you find today?
Well, I'd like to buy some fruit to start. How are the strawberries?
The strawberries are perfect today. Very sweet, like candy. They are $4 for a small basket. They are perfect for eating with just a little cream.
They smell delicious. Okay, I'll take one basket of strawberries, please.
A great choice.
Now, I also need some apples. I want to bake an apple pie tonight at my cottage. Which apples are best for a pie?
For a pie. A very important question. Well, I have two types. These red ones, the sunrise apples, are very crunchy and sweet. They are wonderful for eating.
Oh, okay, so those are for eating.
Yes, but these green ones, these are Granny Smith apples. They're a little sour and very firm. When you bake them, they keep their shape and give the pie a fantastic flavor. They are the best for baking.
That is a perfect tip. Thank you so much. In that case, I'll take 1 kilogram of the green ones, the Granny Smith apples, please.
You are very welcome. A pie needs a good apple. My wife bakes with these every Sunday.
I also need some things for a salad for dinner. Do you have good tomatoes?
Of course. The tomatoes are right here. They are very ripe and juicy. Much better than the ones in the big supermarkets, I promise.
They look great. Can I have 4 tomatoes, please? And one of those large cucumbers.
No problem. 4 tomatoes and 1 cucumber.
Oh, one last thing. I see you have honey. Is that your honey?
Yes, it's from my wife's honeybees. We're very proud of it. We have 2 kinds. This light one is flower honey, which is very sweet. And this darker one is forest honey.
I've never tried forest honey. What does it taste like?
It's a little stronger and richer, not as sweet as the flower honey. It has a very deep, almost woody taste. It's very good on toast, or even with some cheese.
That sounds so interesting. I want to try something new. I'll be adventurous. 1 small jar of the forest honey, please.
A great choice. You will love it.
So, let's see. That's 1 basket of strawberries, 1 kilo of green apples, 4 tomatoes, 1 cucumber, and 1 jar of forest honey. Is that everything for you today?
Yes, that's all. Thank you. You have been so helpful.
It's my pleasure. That will be $18, please.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. Enjoy your baking and enjoy your visit to our village.
Thank you. I will. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.